All right, so there's a key right here. Okay, so you got to turn this key on to the right, and then down here, there's a right here. This is a your starter. You just push that, and it fires right up. Okay, warm up a little bit. So let me get out here and just gotta warm up a little bit, and man, it runs good. Exhaust. This is a hood latch. Pull the hood latch out. It's a big hood, heavy hood. Pop it up. There you got it. Shut it. And then by turning it off, let me rev it up again. And then to turn it off, you just take the key, turn it off. That's it. All right. Thanks, man, for your business.